Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Baruni Designs. My name is Deepshika, and as we already saw in the previous videos, how to select cell according to our requirement, how to check internal resistance, how to check voltages of each cell, we'll be making modules of different voltages in this video. So we are using nut bolting method. We are not going into soldering or spot welding method. The only reason why, because I have these NICD batteries, these were spot welded, and if a single cell is also damaged, I am not able to remove these spot welding cells. So it is very difficult to remove spot welding, whereas when you go to nut bolting method, if a single cell is damaged, you can replace that particular cell. Now for making module, I require cells, caps, bus bar, nut bolts, barrels for joining the cells, and wires. You already know in series connection, voltage gets added, and in parallel connection, your capacity of cell gets added. So people doing this for the first time, please have a quick look on the circuit diagram. The first one is parallel connection. For that, we are taking 2600 mAh cell, and we are taking 3 cells like that. So all positives at one side and all negatives at one side. And now we'll be connecting cell 1 and cell 2 positive, and again cell 2 and cell 3 is positive. So basically cell 1 and cell 3 all positives are connected. Similarly, we'll connect all the negatives also. So, and final plus and final minus will be taken from cell 3. You can take from cell 1 also, you can take it from cell 2 also, because all the cells are in parallel connection. So in parallel connection, your capacity of cell gets added up. That is nothing but 2600 mAh into 3, which will give you 7800 mAh, and voltage will remain same, that is 3.63 volt. In series connection, again we'll be taking same 3 cells. Now each cell's voltage is 3.63, and when we do connection, so first we'll be taking cell 1's positive as final positive and cell 3's negative as final negative. And we'll be connecting cell 1's negative to cell 2's positive and cell 2's negative to cell 3's positive. So in this, in series connection, your voltage gets added up. So that is nothing but 3.63 plus 3.63 plus 3.63, which will give you 10.89 volt, and capacity of cell will remain 2600 mAh only. So I hope I have explained series and parallel connection in this PPT. So you can just find out us at Baruni Designs. You can Google us out. You can also find us at Facebook and also at Instagram. So now starting with the assembly, you just have to take your cells and cap negative to blue and positive to red side, and you can connect it fast. So compared to soldering or spot welding, this is very easy and fast method. So you can do this, and you have to make sure that your slots are matched so that when we are connecting it to the next cell, it is easy to assemble it. So now I have already connected cells cap. Now connecting these to parallel connection. So when we are doing parallel connection, we just have to match the slots and insert it. So now this is 1S 2P connection. So the nominal voltage will be 3.63. As it is in parallel, so the capacity of cell is added. That is 2.6 plus 2.6 is nothing but it is 5.2. So now these 1S cell has wide range of applications. People use it for mobile power banks. So I have one power bank ready with me. So I'll be connecting this 4P and 1S cell, which I have made as a power bank for the testing purpose. So I'll just show you. As you can see, it's charging. So this is again 10,000 mAh power bank. So before moving to 18 volt system, the very commonly used is 12 volt system. So each and every house, most of the people are using UPS of 12 volt systems. So I'll be making a separate video for 12 volt, why we are not using lithium ion right now in 12 volt system, and can we use it or not. So this one we'll be doing in the next video. And next, moving on to 18 volt system. So now moving on to the next pack. We are doing 18 volt system. So for 18 volt, you have to, each cell is 3.6. So you have to connect around 5 cells in series. So it becomes 18 volts. So when you connect in series, so it will be going like this.
have already connected these 5 cells in series, we will check voltage of each cell. So it is around 19.4. So these cells again have a wide applications in power tools, and for increasing the capacity you can add this 5 cells with parallel cells. So in this video we did 1S connection and 5S connection. In next video we'll be making 24 volt system and 48 volt system. So if you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel to get updates about my next videos.